PrestoSketch. Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a giraffe, one of my favorite animals. Let's start by drawing an egg shape for the head. Then draw a curvy line in the middle. Now draw the horns on top of the head. These horns are called ossicones. Next up, the ears and the eyes. Then 2 dots for the nose, and a curvy line for the smile. Now that the giraffe's head is finished, follow along while we draw the rest of the body. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth? Some can grow over 18 feet tall. You're doing great. Keep it up. Time for the spots. Draw as many as you want, big or small. Every giraffe has a unique set of spots. No two are alike, just like our fingerprints. Now that the outline is done, let's color our giraffe. We'll color the hooves black. Next, we'll use yellow to color the ears, the ossicones, parts of the face, and the body. Let's use brown for the nose and the spots. And finally, use the black marker to go over the lines again. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.